In this lesson, we will discuss how to multiply and divide monomials. One more time, monomials, I will explain to you. A monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. Product means multiplication. It means, suppose if we have 5, so this is the monomial. If we have x, if we have y, a, b, c, any letter variable, yes, this is the monomial. If we will multiply the number and the variable, yes, this is the monomial, right? So the important thing is, in monomial do not have addition or subtraction. What does it mean? If I will say 5x minus 2y, this is monomial, this is not monomial. If I will say, suppose 6y plus 4, it is monomial, it is not monomial, because monomial do not include addition or subtraction. They can have only numbers or variables and the product. Product means multiplication. So here we are going to discuss few questions related to division and multiplication of monomials. So see, this is the monomial. There is no addition, no subtraction. Dot means multiplication, right? When we divide or when we multiply, always keep in mind you have to add or subtract the power or exponents of the same basis. Focuses on the same base. See, this is f, this is f. In denominator we have t square. There is, so we cannot add or subtract the exponents of these two variables because these are different. So okay, question is 7f multiplied by 3f divided by 8t multiplied by 2t square multiplied by 3. So first of all, see if there is any number or variable, so we can simplify it in order to make our question easy. Yes, this is 3 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator, it will cancel out. What is remaining? 7 in the numerator divided by 8 two times, because this dot means multiplication, 16. You cannot simplify 7 or 16, right? F. There are two f. So always keep in mind, when we multiply or divide, you have to add the powers. So this f has one power. If there is no power or exponent, it means 1. It means 1. So 1 plus 1. On the bottom or the denominator, we have t variable. This t has one exponent, so 1. This one has 2, so we will write down 2. There is no need to write down t and f again, f power 1, f power 1, t 1 and t squared. No, only one time you have to write down the variable or base, and then you have to add the powers, right? So it will be 7f square divided by 16t cube is your answer. Okay, move on. Here 7a multiplied by 3a divided by 3a. So first of all, what you have to see, if there is any number or variable, so we can simplify it. Yes, 3a in the numerator, 3a in the denominator, remaining is 7a. This is the answer. So simple. Here we have 4b multiplied by 3b square. This is monomial because these are multiply each other. First of all, you have to see, is there any number or variable. 4 is in the denominator. 4 one time, 4 one time, it will cancel out each other. Count how many b's we have. See, all positive. This is 1b, 1b. All variables are same, so it means b4. In the denominator, we have b4 as well, so it means all these b's are cancel out each other. 3, 2 times 6, so 6 is the answer. Right? Okay, one more question. 4b multiplied by 3b square multiplied by 2b divided by 4b 6. Here is 4, here is 4. This will cancel out each other. In the numerator, we have 4b's. Denominator, we have 6b's. And here we have 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6 divided by b6 minus, because in the numerator we have 4b, so you can bring this in the denominator, so it will be 6 divided by b square. 6 minus 4b square, this is the answer. So in this lesson, you have learned how to divide or multiply the monomials. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Sci Academy, and thanks for watching.